look! Oh. Mommy!
Hey, Dara, stop! Stop!
Mommy!
Hey, Dara! Hey, stop, Dara!
Mommy! 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 Mommy!
It's all right.
Mommy!
It's all right.
Mommy! Mommy!
It's all right.
Mommy!
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? But is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try, your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert, there's never water. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. A man's word is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. A man's world is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Your relations neglect you. Friends are close, forsake you. Troubles all around you, and you can tell you're not from your.
Darling, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So how did it go?
You see, the police said nobody has come to claim you yet.
Hey! So after all the announcements on radios and televisions, not even the police can trace his people. No, look, I'm no longer comfortable with his stay here.
He's just a small boy. Huh? If you send him out, where is he going? Huh?
Mommy, I like him.
Ah, see? You like him because you want to play with him, eh?
Yes.
Let's keep him until somebody comes to claim him.
It's alright.
Are you okay? So be cheerful, eh?
Seth, are you hungry? You want to eat? What about you, Robert?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, come, let me go. Prepare something for you.
Right. Go and eat. And be comfortable, eh?
You can't imagine what I saw in the market today.
Who was it?
JP's daughter, Ruby.
Yeah, that girl.
She stole a fish in the market. Upon all her riches. I don't even know what has come over us in this world of today.
Yo, with this economy. Oh, brother, you are set now.
Yes, we're almost there.
When I catch.
How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle Richie.
And the baby?
The baby is also fine.
Cool, you're flipping. And don't forget, it's a she, not a he. Whether he likes it or not.
Sister Mel, please, I want a boy.
It's a girl.
You don't know how I'm praying. It's a she.
1 minute.
saying it is wrong for parents to choose career for children?
Yes. Parents should guard the children, not choose their careers for them. They have their own dreams.
You have a point, but I don't totally agree with you. My father chose my career for me, and that has made me what I am now. A successful businessman. That's why you like me. Yeah.
That was those days. If you doubt it, I'll bring the children. They will tell you what they want.
Me, I know when they come here, Seth will tell you he'll be a doctor and Robert an engineer, if you like what them.
Now hold on.
Okay.
Seth! Robert! Children, come.
Oh, sit.
Now Seth, tell me, what will you like to be when you grow up?
I want to be like Michael Jackson.
I told you. What about you?
Ma, I want to be like Abedi Pele.
All right, and let them go.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
Their dreams are quite different from yours.
Yes, Alaji. Yes, but I'm not satisfied with the money. I was expecting $1.2 million. Only $1 million reflected in my accounts. Oh, okay. You paid for the goods. All right. Okay. I can come on Friday, but my brother will come and clear the good. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Was that Alaji Danta?
Yes.
See.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am. But Richie, there's something I'd like to tell you. James should not be seen as a man. Let's find him some money so that he can start on his own.
Well, I think you're right. James has been with us ever since our parents died. That is 13 years ago. But as you said, well, I'll find him some money and also buy him a bus so that at least he can start his own business.
That would be really nice. Yeah, that's good of you.
But you know what? Yeah. You're looking so beautiful.
Well, if my sweet...
Vida, tomorrow is Joe's birthday. Yes. Yeah. And I wonder if you have time to take me to the boutique tomorrow. There's a suit I want to buy for him.
Martha and Joe. Martha, you are still thinking about Joe when your house is on fire?
My house on fire? What do you mean?
It's a dream I had about your husband and that boy Seth you have in your house here.
I hope it's not serious. What happened to them?
In the dream, your husband willed all his property to Seth. He did not give Robert, your own son, anything. Not a pin.
Vida, is that the serious issue?
Martha!
Look, that boy is still a schoolboy. And I'm sure Joe hasn't started thinking about his will. So forget it.
Martha, you know my dreams always come true.
So as I was saying, you must make sure that when I go to the business, go to Accra and take care of all the shops there, because I don't trust those guys. My dear, you like talking to me. James, we think that it's high time you started your own business. So this key is for this car and this key is for you.
Take it now.
Take it.
Oh my God.
Thank you, brother. Don't never leave me.
My goodness.
Our love will last for eternity.
Don't hurt the child.
I will always to the end of
Thank you. God bless you.
through the storm.
Go in and
Hold you closer to me
wait now.
whenever you need me. Just calling out.
Happy
every day,
day.
loving
Happy
each
day.
other.
Come on, let it be there, let it be
This is
there.
all there's never been. With love,
Hey, please sit
do
down. Now, don't end my baby for me, oh, please.
Oh, God.
this love will last forever.
Your brother is such a nice man.
Look, Brother Richie has been there for me since the death of our parents.
Oh, darling, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Ooh, how was your day?
Fine. Oh, I love you.
Love you too. Welcome.
Thank you.
Daddy, what did you buy for us?
Plenty.
As usual.
Yeah. Bob, take it.
Mom, Daddy, I bought some watches for us.
Ah, what a beautiful watch.
And you.
Yes, man.
Now I'm going with you, then you can go in. I have to talk to you.
Yes, what is it?
Why did you give a better watch to Seth?
Who told you his was better?
Of course it is.
Why do you reason like that? Eh? I bought 2 watches for the kids, and that's all. Men and their problems.
Now I know. Vida's dreams are true. He gives all his attentions to Seth instead of my son. I have to be firm.
I've got you now. Oga, this one is a mistake. I've got you. 3-1. I told you that you don't know how to play. Robert, what have you done?
Seth! Why did you hit him? Eh? What has he done to me? Eh? Why are you hitting him like that?
Robert! Seth, what happened? Hamata, what did you do to him?
I didn't do anything.
Haven't I warned you never to punish any of the children with your hands?
So I no longer have the right to punish the children when they misbehave.
No, I said don't use your hands on them.
I see. Anytime I touch Seth, I touch your heart. It's alright. Don't mind them. Let's go.
Thank you. You look so tired.
Yeah,
you look so tired.
The sun is so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down. Sit down. Oh, very soon you come out of this. It's okay. Oh, should I give you some more?
It's okay.
It's alright.
Excuse me. You must be waiting at this time of the day. I'll get back to you because I can hear a million voice there. Thanks. Ghana, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh, no. Let me come to the hospital. Take it easy. Take your time. Just take your time. Take it easy. Take it easy. That's how it is, Ghana. Take it easy. Sorry. Everything's wrong. Okay, your time. And don't rub your hands on your stomach. Take it easy. Take it easy. I know how you feel. I know how you feel.
Martha, can I have a glass of water? These people. Let's see. Good. Oh, thank you.
Joe, I want to ask you a question, and I don't want you to be angry with me.
What is it?
Why is it that anytime I punish these children, you get angry with me?
Oh, Martha, I'm not against you punishing the children, but the way you do it.
How do I do it? How? Your countenance changes anytime I reprimand that boy Seth. I believe you love him more than you love our own son.
Oh, Martha.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How's the baby?
She's okay.
Everything will be alright, okay?
Thank you very much.
Nurse Becky,
Yes, doctor.
I thought this lady has been here for a week now. What is wrong?
I'm not sure. Let me check your file.
Prepare this patient for the theater immediately. She's losing the struggle, okay?
Yes, doc. Young woman, why do you want to put us in trouble? Why don't you want to go home?
This one is 6,000, 4,000, 3,000.
Let me see the one.
It's 2,500.
How can I buy this?
Madam, how much is the yam?
3,000.
3,000. Won't you accept 2,000?
No.
Okay.
How much is it?
This one is 7,000.
Let me pay you 1,500.
It's 2,500. What is the matter?
I can't find my money.
I'm sorry. I can't sell my goods to you for free.
Oh my God. I don't know. I kept still. My mother will kill me. I'm dead. Oh, my mother will kill me. Oh God, I kept this money. Oh, my mother will kill me today.
I'll make sure I'll see you that Monday. Huh? All right. Young lady, what is the problem?
I lost my money.
Is that the reason why you are crying? Look, stop crying, okay? Now, go home and tell the person who sent you, right? Sitting down here will do you no good.
I can't. My mother will kill me if I don't return with what she asked me to buy.
How much is it?
25,000 CDs.
All right. Take this money, okay? And stop crying. Take it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. May God richly bless you. Please, where do you stay?
I stay at Roman Hill. I'm here to visit a friend in the shop over there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So how much did they bring? You know how?
3 cartons.
What about the price?
1.2 million cedis.
It's okay. So what do you think we're supposed to do next? Afternoon.
Sorry, excuse me. I know you don't recognize me.
No, please help me out.
I was the girl you helped out the other day.
Charlie, this is the lady I told you the other day that she lost her money. Oh, that's nice of you. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I hope your mom did not flog you again.
No, she did not.
Let's go out and let me buy you something to drink. I mean to cool you down. Go on. Come on.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
Now let's move. Come in. What was the name again?
My name is Mercy.
Mercy? What a lovely name. Let them bring you more drinks, right? Oops. 1 minute. Here you are.
Thank you.
Oh, cheers. Drink.
You're a very good man. Thanks. My mother would have killed me.
Oh, look, that was okay. That was okay. Look, I was born a Samaritan. That's why people call me Mr. Good Man. That's great. We'll go now. Are you feeling dizzy? Right now, come and lie on the bed, okay?
When I see one. I even detect pregnancies when it is 3 days old. Yet you deny. I will take you to the hospital, and if it is proven that you are pregnant, you will leave this house immediately. Take it from me. I have been warning you against men, but my daughter will never listen. Here. Bitch! Not only that you are pregnant, you have the authority to deny it all this time. And now you are 4 months pregnant in my house. Leave my house and go to the man who made you pregnant. I'm telling you now!
Mama, please. It was an accident.
Already? Accident? Shameless girl! You call sleeping with a man an accident? Do you know how long it takes? Leave my house now!
Mama, please. Don't send me away. I don't have anywhere to go to.
You know you have nowhere to go, yet you mess yourself up. By tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock sharp, you are out of my house. Au revoir, goodbye, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir.
But you will have to leave here sooner or later. I'm sorry.
Please, nurse, please, what's happening?
You are Mr. James?
Yes, please, I am.
Your wife has been delivered of a big bouncing baby girl.
What? A big bouncing baby girl?
But the doctor says she lost much blood. So she needs blood transfusion urgently.
Blood transfusion? Please, where are they?
Your wife is in the intensive care unit. Your baby is okay. Please, run around for blood. Please, if you may excuse me, I have something else to do.
Close to you, don't never leave. Our love will last for eternity.
James, what is the matter? How is she?
They need blood. The doctor said she lost much blood and it has rendered her anemic.
Oh boy. Is that why you're looking so down? Don't worry. It happens most of the time. Don't worry. How is the baby?
She's alright. The nurse says she's alright.
Okay. You go back in. Okay? I guess we have to go and purchase the blood.
Yes, yes. Just take calm. Yes. You are not in the shape to run around. First experience.
Alright, let's go.
Anyway, that's the way it feels.
Please, you need somebody who can breastfeed your child. Your wife cannot do this.
But I don't have anybody.
Is there any of your relations who had baby with you?
None I can remember. Please, what will happen to my child? Will she die?
Mr. James, no. We need to breastfeed your child. It is very essential.
I love to sing the beat.
Well, there's a nursing mother here. I don't know whether she wants to help.
Oh, please. Please, let her help me. Can I see her?
Follow us.
To you, don't never leave me. Our love will last for eternity. I will always love you to the end of the world. Through the stars.
Sorry, my darling.
Hold you closer to me.
Somebody is taking care of our baby. And I pray you be well soon. Come and take care of her yourself.
I'll always be true to you, 'cause I love you. I will always love you to the end of the world. Through the stars.
Everything will be alright.
Hold you closer to me.
Yes, James.
Whenever
God is in control.
just call it out.
Auntie Mel, please tell me it's not true.
Hey, Joanna, God. Joanna, why did you do this to us?
Auntie Mel, please tell me it's not true. Tell me it's not true.
I want to see that.
Oh God. His wife is dead. And now the woman who is helping him with the breastfeeding of his baby has been ejected.
What did you say next?
I'm sorry, Mercy has been ejected.
Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Mercy! 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 What is the problem?
Sorry, I heard what happened to your wife. Well, I don't know what you're going to do with your baby. The hospital has asked me to leave, and I don't know where I'll be going to.
Where are your parents?
I'm an orphan. My parents dumped me in a refuse container. It's a long story. My auntie, who is actually my foster mother, didn't want to have anything to do with me when she found out I was pregnant. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please, I'm very sorry.
Don't you know I paid for this place?
I will pay. I will pay.
How much? How much?
I don't have any money now. My mother sent me away. I don't have anywhere to go to. Please, I beg you in the name of God. I don't have anywhere. Just help me, please. Help me.
Okay. What is your name?
Mercy. Please.
You sleep here. I'll sleep there. Sleep there.
Thank you, Ma.
Kaya, come. I'm going to the taxi rank. How much will you take?
Okay, give us 20,000 cedis.
20,000 cedis? I'll give you 10,000.
Okay, 15.
These small things. I'll give you 10,000. I'll give you 10,000.
Okay.
This one will help you, don't worry.
Take care.
This way.
Go now.
Go for Mr. Money.
No, I have not. But people say she does not want to see me anymore. That I'm good radiant.
Oh. Okay. Don't worry. How old is the pregnancy now?
I'm almost due.
Thank God for that.
Thank God. I thank you so much. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Don't worry at all. It's one of those things, you know. God moves in a mysterious way. You never know when it's your turn.
Yeah. Thank you for everything. So how much did we make today?
Today I think I had 23,000 cedis.
Wow, that's a lot of money. I think I made about 25. Wow.
So by and by be putting up something, huh?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let me see what I can do. You just hang around. Just hang around. And I'll be back, okay?
James, what's wrong? Have you been able to buy the drugs for the babies?
Yes, I have, but there's a problem.
Problem? Sit.
Yes. What is it? You know the lady who is helping with the breastfeeding of my baby? The hospital has asked her to leave.
What do you mean she has no place to go?
She is an orphan and sacked from her foster home when she got pregnant.
Well, we can't afford to lose her because of the baby. Well, see if you can ask her to come and occupy the guest room so that we find her a place later on.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so much.
Don't worry.
Oh, then I will tell her right away.
Okay.
Mata. Now because of this, you know one give me small money.
I will give you. But if I give you, don't use it to buy drink.
Sister, no be say I dey take am dey drink plenty. You know say wife I no get. Children I no get. So now only this small thing where I dey take enjoy life for the city.
Don't go.
Who go give me?
I've told you not to give this boy money when you come here.
They do like this now. I mean, you won't make us out.
Sorry, dear. My dear, you are welcome. Thank you. How is the city?
Mama, I came to discuss an issue with you.
What about?
That little boy in my house is breaking my marriage. I think I seriously have to do something about it.
Oh, Martha, my dear. Take it easy. I think your problem is psychological. Because of what you've been told about that boy, you are prejudiced against him.
No, Mama. You don't understand my situation. My husband and I quarrel over that boy every day. It's getting too much.
Take your time, Martha. I don't believe your husband loves that boy more than you, as you want us to believe. No, I don't believe.
Anyway, Mama, how about Uncle Kofi?
He's okay. Generally, things aren't moving well with him.
It's alright, I'll see what I can do about it.
Alright.
Like this for so long. No money, no friend. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way they want to be. Like those who've been before.
Hello, Mercy.
Welcome, sir.
Why are you washing in the sun?
I just had to finish all these clothes, sir.
Oh, I see. Where is James?
He's in the living room.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
Yes. buy yourself something at the market. Oh, take it.
Thank you very much, sir. I'm very grateful, sir.
You're welcome. What do you think about this kind of wrestling?
Yeah, that is how deep you do it.
You love it? Yes, this reminds me. I've been wanting to tell you this. You know, tomorrow is Melody's birthday. And we have to postpone its celebration until the final funeral rites of Joanna is concluded.
Yes, brother, that's thoughtful. That's thoughtful. But can it stop us from naming the child now? Brother, I have thought of naming the child after your wife.
Oh, really? That's nice. Have you discussed this with her?
Oh, brother, this is the only way I can express my appreciation towards you and your wife. Look, since the death of our parents, you've been more than parents to me, and I feel this is the only way I can express my appreciation.
I know Melody will be appreciative of the honor you've done her, really. Anyway, how is the child?
Yeah, she's okay. She's okay. She's doing fine.
And the mother who is breastfeeding her?
Mercy, yeah, she's also doing fine.
I see.
The death of our parents, you've been more than parents to me, and I feel this is the only way I can express my appreciation.
I know Melody will be appreciative of the honor you've done her, really. Anyway, how is the child?
Yeah, she's okay. She's okay. She's doing fine.
And the mother who is breastfeeding her?
Mercy, yeah, she's also doing fine.
I see.
That's Martha and her garden. Vida is here. Oh, Vida. Welcome, thank you. You look good. You too. Anytime I think about you, you're here. I'm so happy. I visit on instinct. Yeah. You're welcome. Is there a problem? Okay. Quite an amount. Vida, let's go in. Okay. Just sit down, let me get you some drink. Okay.
Hey, Martha. Each time I come here, I see something new.
Oh my God. You always know my favorite, Martha. Of course. I bought this specially for you. I know you like it.
See? Sharp fruit. La fiesta.
Woo! I'm sure you like it. That's how you know good wine. The men think they are the only ones that know good wine. We know where we see them too. Oh, cheers.
It tastes good.
You're a prophetess, you know. Everything you told me is coming true.
What happened?
I went to see a prophet a fortnight ago. He told me exactly what you told me. Everything.
Mother, this is the time to take some action before this matter gets out of hand.
You're right.
Is your husband at home?
There's nobody in the house.
Okay. There is this Juju man in my village. He is very good. He can help you.
Juju man? Fighter?
Very good.
No. The prophet said I should embark on fasting and prayers. That's all.
Fasting and prayer. How long did Abraham pray before his prayers got answered? How soon do you think fasting and prayer will change Jonathan's mind? Tell me. This is a very serious matter. Consider it.
Sorry. Oh, Melody's crying. Honey, please, let me attend to your sister. Okay, it's okay. I'll be right back. Sorry, let me attend to your sister. It's okay, I'll be back. Oh, Mel, baby, I'm so sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, honey, why? Mommy's
I love to sing.
I'm attending to your sister. It's okay, baby. Come to mommy. It's okay. Sorry. Mommy. I'm coming. It's okay. Your sister is crying. I have to attend to her. I'm sorry, baby. Sorry. Let me attend to your sister.
I will always love you to the end of the world, through the storms of life. Hold you closer to me whenever you need me. Just calling out your name. I'll always be true to you, 'cause I love you. I will always love you to the end of the world, through the storms of life.
Should be like you, not so. Huh? Witch!
Hey, a witch?
Yes.
Me, a witch?
Yes, you are a witch.
Me, Vida, a witch?
You are a witch. Get out from my house. I said get out from my house before I knock your head.
All right.
Oh, shit.
I couldn't believe my ears. Boys like that, what do you expect? Can you imagine that since the accident, nobody has come forward to prove it? You're right, huh? Hey! He sent only by witches into your house.
Look, Vida, are you sure
this thing is going to work.
The answer to your problem is in here.
Inside my bag as soon as you finish.
Every word that comes out of your husband's mouth is Martha. Martha. Martha.
Robert.
Look at
Hey! Look, if this thing works, Jonathan knows no one is but me, Martha, and Robert. Oh my God.
Consider it done.
What will I do for you?
Oh, do for me. See. You will build a house for me.
Oh, a house. What are friends for? First of all, I'll start today by giving you a treat somewhere.
Woo!
So where?
A good lunch at Kirabi.
Look, my bag is loaded. Get in the car. Hey, I can't believe my ears, man.
I sent Samson to send you some documents.
He phoned me. Yeah, he phoned and said he'll be coming later in the day to bring them.
I see.
Yeah. Let me send your portfolio inside.
Okay.
Could you please don't do this to me?
And you always tell me I'm going fat.
Yes. Which of us is the fat one?
Me, I'm slimming up.
Wow, Mercy, I didn't know you were such a good cook.
Thank you very much, sir. My foster mother is a fancy. She operates a canteen in the university.
Oh, that's good. So, we can set a restaurant for you at Bantama.
I'll be very grateful, ma.
Brother, you know what? Mercy has a proposal she would want to make.
Is that so? Let's hear it.
I don't know how you take it, but I want to name my child Melody. It's a way of showing appreciation for all you've done for me.
Well, that is good. Mel, you are here. What do you have to say?
Thank you, Mercy. Thank you so much. But James has already named his child after me. And I don't think it will be a good idea having two children at the same house bearing the same name.
Yes, I think you are right. Wait a minute. James, how about us naming the child after our mother?
That's a good idea, a very good idea.
All right, so Mercy, we want to name your daughter after our mother, who was so dear to us, as your daughter is to us. In fact, she was called Esther. What do you say? Yes.
That's a nice name. Oh, thank you very much. I don't know how to thank you for all you've done. Thank you very much for accepting me. May the good Lord bless you.
Amen.
How long are you going to continue like this? Pull yourself together. Okay, please.
Father, I don't know, but don't you think it's that? I think the native doctor gave us that killed Jonathan.
Mother, how can you talk like that? How? You are not the first person I've taken to that man. It's worked for other people. Why should yours be different?
I don't know.
It is the bad luck that boy said you have in this house. You either kill him or he definitely will kill you. Come on, Mata.
Father, you might be right, you know.
Of course, I am. You know, I'm always right. Come on, Mata. Please.
I bless the day I found you. Songs of melody ring in my heart. Suddenly life had new meaning.
Right. We called you here for something very important.
And I hope you are going to listen well and take a very decisive decision.
See, you've been living with us for quite some time now. And I hope we've done our best to make you a home, even though we know we might not have met all your aspirations.
Auntie, brother, you people have provided more than a home for me. I will always be grateful for that.
Thank you. Thank you. But, well, it's a good thing we called you here for. James wants your hand in marriage.
that James wants to marry me. I don't think it's possible.
Why?
Why do you say that?
I am not qualified to be his wife. He's educated and I'm not.
Come on.
Mercy, you don't have to say that. Look, love conquers all.
That's it. But you haven't answered my question, girl.
If he believes in his heart that he loves me, I have nothing to say.
Hold it. Mercy, is that a yes?
I will always love you to the end of the world, through the storms of life, hold you close.
Yes, ma'am. Sam! Yes, ma'am. Oh, you are here in the garden, eh? You are relaxed here in my garden when you have a lot of unwashed plates in my kitchen. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, eh? You stupid boy. You want to cry? Let me see tears from those stupid eyes of yours and I'll plug them out for you. Yes, come on. Will you go and wash those plates? Foolish boy. Can you imagine? Relaxed in my garden. Witch. Seth, come here. Say, come here. What are you doing with that knife in your hand?
I want to peel oranges on it.
What you should be doing is to wash my place, wash my kitchen, clean everywhere for me. That's what you should be doing. So you're here, eh? You're here. Huh? You're here, sir. So you come back from school, you just drop your bag, you come into my parlor and lie on my couch. Oh, you want to kill me? Eh? You want to kill me the way you killed your mother and you bewitched my husband and you also killed him. Eh? You want to kill me? Eh? Look, before you kill me, I will bring people that will eat you raw. I will kill you first. I will kill you first. I will kill you first. I will kill you. Now listen to me. Listen. Before I open my eyes and before I count 3, you must vanish from this place. 1, 2.
Bye. This boy is not from here. Stop what you are doing. They will kill you when they see you doing what you planned.
But I'm hungry.
Hungry?
Do you stay around?
No.
Where's your mother?
My mother is dead.
Dead?
Hey! We didn't hear anything. All what we've heard is your friends are here. What happened? Huh?
Mama, barely 1 month after my husband's death, his company threw out our things.
What?
I pleaded with them, but they refused.
These people are heartless. Huh? Don't worry, dear. Don't worry. At least you've got me. I'm around. Huh? We'll take care of you and Robert. Huh? Don't worry, dear. Don't worry.
Sister, make you no worry. If those people were there that no want you, we were there here, we want you. Me self, as you come now, the thing they sweet my body well. So make you no worry. Make I begin carry your things to go, sir.
Don't worry, dear. It's all right. These people are heartless.
Mama, I took some people load across the road and they gave me this.
Is that so? You are a good boy. Are you hungry?
No.
Take care, eh? Be careful.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, how much is the rifle? 300 cedis. What about this? Oh, you don't have the one I want. Please come back.
No, thank you. 5,000 cedis. Oh.
Mama, good day.
My son, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Here is 120,000 cedis. Keep it with the rest. I'll tell you what to do with it later. Tell you. I want to see a customer.
Seth, come back.
Mama.
Towards evening, make sure that you come back early.
Okay,
I have a message for you.
Okay.
Mother, try as much as possible to read one page of any storybook you come across before you sleep, okay?
Yes, big man.
It will make you fluent. And don't laugh at elderly people. What should I buy for you?
The chocolates.
Chocolates? Whoops! And you?
A bicycle.
A bicycle! You want to ride a bicycle? And if you don't ride the bicycle with a helmet on, you will crush your head. And what about you?
A computer game.
A computer game? That's good. You want to be a computer literate. That's good because we are in the computer age. I love you, kids. I love you. Give me a hug. So I must be going. Mother, get me my bag. I must be going. Mercy, I'm leaving. Oh, mother. You are too careless. Why? Look at what you've done.
Auntie Mellon, why are you charging at the poor girl like that? Can't you see it was just an accident? All you girls, go inside. Go inside. And stay there. I don't want to see you outside.
Well, I agree it was an accident. But if she had been careful, she wouldn't have dropped that bag.
Why didn't you pick the bag up?
Pick it up myself.
Yes, why didn't you pick it up? Anyway, I don't blame you. All you do is just sit there and send people to anywhere you like. You, get me this person, get me this. That's all you do all day. I know because you don't have a child of your own.
Mercy? You think because I don't have a child, I don't have feeling for children?
Yes, Melody, yes, you don't have feelings. Listen to me and listen to me good. I've been observing the way you treat my children. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. You just had to be careful. You barren woman.
Mercy, I promise. Richie must see all this.
Like who cares? Rubbish.
I couldn't believe Mercy could be so rude. After all that we've done for her.
Sister Mel, please don't take it too deep. Please. I can't simply rationalize her behavior towards you.
I couldn't believe him when she told me.
Brother, I couldn't believe it either. I couldn't believe it either. I mean, I can't understand what came over her at that time.
Mercy, calling me a barren woman. Oh God, when are you going to give me my own children?
Come on, stop this.
Please, Sister Mel. Please, I'm very sorry. Please pardon her for that. Please, I'm very sorry.
Will you stop this?
Sister Mel, please.
Look, James, it's okay. You can leave now. Alright?
Mercy.
I'm now a laughing stock.
Come on.
This is what I've been telling you, Mercy. This is what I've been telling you. No matter how she treated mother, you have no moral justification to talk to her the way you did.
Listen, James. I will not sit down and let her bully my daughters like that, okay?
They are all her children. And she has been treating them like that all these years. Why call her barren?
Is she not barren? James, is she not barren? Look at you, James. You have a big head. And I'm kind enough to tell you your head is big. Tell me, is that an insult? Huh?
Mercy, I don't know what came over you, but you must go and apologize.
Me, Mercy, apologize. You must be sick. Listen to me. If you are afraid of them, I am not. You don't know who Mercy is.
Hey, Mercy, now!
James, you're looking for my trouble. If you don't want my trouble, just let me be. Okay?
Welcome, Mr. James.
Oh, hello, Mary. Thank you. How are you?
Fine. Did you travel? I did not see you last week.
Oh, I've been very tight of late. I need some few items. Can you do me a favor?
I'm at your service.
These are the lists. And I think this will do.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind?
James.
Is it a crime for
James.
loving?
Is this what you call uncompleted building?
No matter
oh,
how
come
I
on.
try,
We are not under any pressure to move into this building. Look, we have to take our time. I need the tiles here, the staircase to this balcony. Look, the sliding doors and I mean everything. Look, we have to take our time. There is no need to rush, okay? All the same, the contractor has done a good job. What do you think? I only wish...
James! To me,
this house is completed. I don't know why you enjoy staying with your brother.
Look, I don't enjoy staying at my brother's place, okay? Otherwise, I wouldn't have acquired this land in the first place. Huh? Are we under any pressure to quit at all? Are we?
Must you be put under pressure before you quit? Must you? Listen, it's time you get your own independence. I mean, James, make your own decisions.
Who said I am being dictated to? Huh?
Didn't your brother stop you from buying me that card the other day? Didn't he? Didn't he stop you?
Look, he did not dictate to me. All that he said was if I could use the money to complete this building. That's all.
Enough is enough. I don't want to ever stay under the same roof with your brother again and have them treat you like a houseboy.
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you?
Justice,
No
I hope you enjoy your meal. Good. Look, every one of you should enjoy this time out, okay? Enjoy your meal. Mercy, I hope you are enjoying
it. James, you have completed the building for the past 2 months. Why can't we just move in?
Actually, not until my brother returns from abroad.
So if he's going to stay for a decade, do we have to wait for him?
Mercy, you know he's staying for only 3 weeks.
Why do we even have to wait for him in the first place? That's what I don't understand.
Look, Mercy, we need his approval.
His approval? Hey, James.
Mercy. Yes, we need his blessing.
James, why do we need his blessing in the first place? Why do we need it? Is he God or a pastor that will bless us before we leave? Why can't you just behave like a man for once? I mean, take a decision and stick by it, for God's sake.
Mommy, why are you shouting on Daddy like that?
Daddy does not want to be a man.
Mother, enjoy your meal, okay? Okay. There is no problem.
How's the food?
Oh, Mata, may God bless you and everything where they do. The food today is sweet well. I don't know what thing I will tell you again. Ever since where you come back here, all my friends they talk say I don't begin add weight.
It's true. They are not lying.
I trust you. I trust you. Even sir, the time where you there for town, even after the death of your husband and the running of that boy you call Seth. Hey, that boy, I don't hear say he don't become armed robber. You don't hear? So, as I was saying, even in those difficult times, you were still sending down money to me. You know, be like Mary.
Ofori, don't blame Mary. You know she's only a petty trader. Huh?
Don't defend her. Don't defend her.
She doesn't have much. Robert! Eat your food, Anna.
Okay.
Robert! Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you, dear. Robert, I brought some tubers of yam. They are by the roadside. Go get them.
I'm tired.
Robert, go and get the yams for Mama.
I'm tired.
Mama, please don't be angry, eh? He's been working all day. In fact, we just finished cooking now. Please.
Mama, you see say I dey eat. If no be say I dey eat, I for don't go carry am for you.
I'll go and get them myself.
It's all right, Mama. Eat your food, eh?
Mata. Now you make her like you.
Mommy, welcome.
How are you? What are you doing here? Hungry.
Mercy. I'm going out and I'm not coming back till late. You know, tomorrow is my birthday. So take this money for the market. Won't you take it?
As you can see, I'm just coming back from somewhere. And I'm so tired and I'm not feeling well. So please, you can just keep your money to yourself.
But if you are sick, does it mean the children shouldn't eat?
Which children?
Your children, of course.
Thank God you said my children. So what they will eat is none of your business, okay? Excuse me.
Big mommy. Big mommy. It is a lie. She's not sick. She has not given us food this morning.
Mother, will you keep quiet and go inside now? I said go inside. Are you deaf? Stupid girl.
Ah, God.
Honey? Honey? There's something I've been wanting to tell you for some time now. But it's just that I don't want to cause any problem in our family. Your brother Richie, he's been making passes at me for some time now.
My brother? Which brother?
Honey, your brother. After our marriage, he said I should give him the opportunity to have a baby by me, since his wife cannot conceive. I just don't know. I've been trying to keep it to myself, but I can't.
You mean my brother, Richie?
Oh, honey, come on. How many brothers do you have?
Oh, spare me that. My brother can never ever do such a thing. Ah!
Okay. Okay. Why do you want to rape me now, eh? I told you I'm your brother's wife. Can't you understand?
What are you doing?
Oh, James! James!
Yes,
you want to rape me? I told you I'm not interested. I'm your brother's wife.
What is the problem?
It's your brother. It's your brother. He tried to rape me. I told you he tried to rape me.
James, there's a...
Sorry, please do! Look, just listen.
Auntie, it's Uncle Richie. I was inside the bedroom trying to take my bath. I was just bending and he just came all the way from my back. He just wanted to break me.
Richie?
Yes, I told him and I can't.
There's total confusion here. Okay? Total misunderstanding. Listen, I just came here looking for you.
It's a lie. He wants to rape me. You know it. Why are you trying to lie now? I told him that I don't want to do, but he didn't do. I have to stop it.
What are you people talking about? Listen,
I can't take this.
I just came in here looking for you and rape.
I had to stop him. That's why I put him.
What are you doing, Mercy? What is this?
What have I done to deserve this? Tell me, where did I go wrong? Was I blind? Or is it a crime for loving you? No matter how I try, your quest for more remains the same. Like a desert, there's never water. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. A man's word is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for this opportunity. Don't go, HIPIK. She will reject you. A man's world is like a curse when his pocket is empty. Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way she wanted to be. She's been waiting for so long for for this opportunity. Your relations neglect you, friends so close forsake you, troubles all around you, and you can tell you're not from your day. Oh, lonely days and lonely nights, gonna come to my rescue. I turn the low, they all with the wealthy. Don't go, HIPIK, the world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no freight, Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way they want it to be. Like those who've been before you, there's no change in this world. Don't go, HIPIK, the world will reject you. It's been like this for so long. No money, no friend, Mr. HIPIK, 'cause that's the way they want